Hi folks, welcome back. So today we are going for a photo shoot. It's early morning and I am not a photogenic person. So let us see how it goes out. So here we are waiting for our friend's arrival to begin the photo shoot. So we are standing somewhere in the middle of the road. It's a beautiful place with a lot of farms around us. So let's wait for some more time. Just filled up some fuel right now. Our motorcycles are running on low fuel, and then again still we are waiting for our friends. So finally our friends come and we meet up. And finally we start. Finally, we arrive at the location. Everybody? So yes, we have arrived on location. Very nice place. Full of trees and farms around us. So we are about to begin our photo shoot. I think it's going to be nice Sunday. So this is a village road. So there is not going to be any traffic. One side it's a canal and the other side it is a banana farm. The canal is almost dried and we could find a lot of dry leaves in and around the canal. And this is the team that has come. We took some photos there and then again we have come to a different location for some more snaps. We have just changed location now. This place is even more better. Lot of trees. It gives a feeling as if we are in the middle of a forest. So the photo shoot continues there. I think the time is now almost 8:30. So it's going in a funny way. So a few of my friends are there. So they are asking me to make funny poses with my motorcycle. And it's going fine. Here they have asked me to ride and then turn my head right and left. I don't know how it is going to come. You will know after 1 week by looking at my Instagram profile.
இப்போ ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணிடுவோம். ஏறு தரமாக இருக்குது. போஸ்ட்னா கரெக்டாக இருக்கும். இவனுக்கு கீழே உட்காந்து உட்காந்து ஹேண்ட் பரப்பு வச்சுருக்குமா அவனை தெரியும். முட்டி மேலே எடுத்துக்கிறேன். அவரு முட்டி மேலே பாடி உண்டு. கால் தெரியாது எனக்கு. எவ்வளோ சேவ் பண்ணி தெரியாது. தம்பி நில்லுங்க பார்த்து. ரொம்ப ஹைட்டாக இருக்கு. இது மாற்றிக்கோ. போஸ்ட்டுக்கு இதுக்கு சம்மந்தமே இல்லாமல் இருக்குண்ணே. என்னது ஃபுட் ட்ரெஸ்ஸு நம்ம கரெக்டாக வர. ஆமாம் போஸ்ட் எங்கேயும் இருக்கு. எவ்வளோ தான் மூச்சு. வண்டி வண்டி வண்டி. These guys are posing much better than me. Shows how poor I am at these photography things. These are young kids and they are really doing a great job in making these photos. Now they have asked me to wear those weird glasses and made me sit on my motorcycle facing the tail. Time has crossed 9 and it's still going on. So we thought of starting it by at least 7 o'clock and completing it by some 8 or 8:30. But again, everybody was late and still it is going on.
பாதி வச்சிருக்கோம் ஃபேஸை கவர் பண்ணிருக்கோம் பாதி இல்ல ஃபேஸ் ஃபுல்லா கவர் பண்ணா வரும் ஹெல்மெட் கொடுப்போம்.
And it is not yet finished for me, so they have asked me to pose for one final time to get a good pic. So let's see how it goes. So finally we are finished and it is time to leave. I think the time is almost 10 o'clock. So the Sunday was spent very well.
So it became late and we decided to have breakfast somewhere.
நைட் சாப்பிட போனால சரியான ஸ்மூத் தான
எது
இப்போ ஓட்டா அது ஃபீல் பண்ணி கொடுத்துறீங்க
ஸ்மூத்தா அதே 300
இப்போ ஓட்டா அப்படியே ஃபீல் ஆயிடும். நான் நிறைய ஓட்டி திரும்ப சொல்ல வச்சிடறாங்கல்ல அப்படி இருக்கு.
கிலோமீட்டர் 72 ஓடியாச்சு.
72 ஓட்ட வண்டி மாதிரியே இருக்கு.
வருஷம் 7.
ஆனா பிரேக்கே ரொம்ப நல்லா இருக்கு.
We couldn't get any breakfast here, so we decided to move on to the next village to see if we can get anything. Finally, we got some breakfast. Now we have to move to a good place to have it.
So this is where we are going to settle for breakfast.
Finally, it is time to say goodbye.
Bye, ma. Bye, ma. Bye. Bye. Okay. Bye. Okay, bye.
And then at last we decided to swap the motorcycles.
Oh, bye, Daddy.
So that's how the Sunday ended for me. Rather than saying ended, I would say that's how the Sunday started for me. Everything went on so well. So I have shared my Insta ID in the description, and soon I will be posting these photos. Thanks for watching, guys. So if you like my channel, please subscribe to it and click on the bell icon to receive instant notifications. See you all, guys, in another exciting video.